Say it. You ain't got to be on the camera.
Crazy. Mika,
Yes.
take me through there.
Where we going, twin?
Take me through there. Take me through there.
Where we going, twin? Hello, gorgeous. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. It is your girl, Tamika. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. She is Tamika and Tamika is me. All right, so welcome to my Thanksgiving grocery haul. All right, so a few places that we went. We went to Walmart, of course, Winn-Dixie, and we went to the meat store. We will be hosting Thanksgiving at our location, okay, at our new location. You know, for those who are new, we did recently move about 5 months ago. So, yeah. We got quite a few things, so let me go ahead and move my little wagon, my little G-Wagon over here, watching Mind Pump. For those who don't know about Mind Pump podcast, go watch it. We got this little triple slow cooker. So, yep, we will be having that. All right, so I did get my Canada Dry sugar-free ginger ale. I gotta have that. I've been on that. Hey, hi, gorgeous. Hi, my boo. Hi. All right. Hush. All right, so we got some forks. We got accents. We got some sugar. Sugar on my tongue. All right, we got some chicken tenders. Yeah, the tenderloins. This is a mixture of Thanksgiving and we need food for the house. Got some chicken wings. So this is enough to like hold us for the rest of the week until next weekend. We will go to Felton's. We have some aluminum foil. We got some Prego because we're going to make some spaghetti. We like to use Uncle John's sausage. So we're going to have that. We got some turkey bags. We got onion and brown gravy. We got this chicken thing right here. And we got some Kool-Aid because we have a big pitcher. So when everyone comes over, you know, the kids can have Kool-Aid. I got me some Lindor. I don't know why, but I just had a taste for a Lindor. We got onion powder. We got flour. We got bacon. So for the macaroni and cheese, I like to use this type of cheese mixed with Velveeta. So this is like that red wine cheese. So this is what I make for macaroni from scratch. Okay. That will be my dish that I am making for Thanksgiving. Drop down in the comment section and let me know, what are you making for Thanksgiving? Are you hosting or are you bringing something, contributing? So I'm going to be contributing white rice and macaroni. My husband picked up, mustard potato salad and macaroni salad. That's what he likes. All right, for the house, hamburger. All right. We got some milk because we need milk for cereal. We need milk for the eggs. For the macaroni. We got some bell pepper. All right. So here goes some shredded cheese. I like to top my macaroni off with a little sprinkle of shredded cheese. I got some oikos. You know, we got to get that protein in. Melt them out. We got the turkey. So this turkey was $5.73. So that means it was 59 cents, I think, per pound. And yeah, turkey. Got the turkey, baby. And we're gonna have turkey wings is what my husband is gonna cook. All right, so we got the spaghetti noodles because we're gonna make spaghetti. Got little mashed potatoes. We always get the Idaho mashed potatoes. We got cream of mushroom because he is also going to make turkey wings. So he likes to put the cream of mushroom inside. He got the chunky light tuna because that's what he likes to make his sandwiches for work. And then I went ahead and got me some Propel. I was trying to buy some more of the other electrolytes like the liquid IV, but them things cost like $10 in Winn-Dixie, and I forgot to look for them in Walmart, but I just went ahead and got the Propel. So I got 10 in a pack, so that will hold me over until for a few days. Got some bananas so I can have in the morning. We got some water right here, too big to pick up. 1 second. At Winn-Dixie, I picked up 2 oat milk. I usually get the one that's what is it? The vanilla? No, the one that's 30 calories, but they didn't have any more, so I got these 2. The reason is because they were 2 for $6, so I said why not go ahead and get it. And this is 90 calories, but I usually pick up the one that's 30. We got some napkins for them, so they'll be using these. Got some more paper plates for the people. I got the Velveeta cheese. This is what I used to chop up with the macaroni and cheese. I got me a Diet Pepsi because I realized I didn't have no more sugar-free soda. Get it here. And then my husband got the Hennessy. Oh, guess what? My husband agreed to, are you going to do it for Thanksgiving? He agreed to cook. We're going to do a video together cooking Thanksgiving. So if you would like that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section if that's something that you want to see. And he agreed that we can go live like later on, like after everybody done ate and we just chilling, that he will go live with me. We'll see on Thanksgiving Day. But if we don't go live, at least you'll get a cooking video from us. Got some jasmine rice. So I went ahead and got 2. I tried the basmati, whatever rice. We didn't care for that one. Got some macaroni. Then I realized I need another box of macaroni, but I think I got a half a box up there. You know, the red cups, you know what I'm saying? All right, so now let's get into the eel. All right, so we got some hog maw. He talking about yay. So he picked up 2 things of hog maw. All right. Another thing that's on the list is going to be collard greens, right? Yeah. Making collard greens. We'll get that a little later as it gets closer. And then we have the turkey wings. So this one is, what is this, 3 pounds, 7 pounds? Yeah, we got some turkey wings. All right. Forgot to add the pans. So this was going to be my macaroni and rice pan, but he said this is too small. That's, you know, king. Turkey pan. Turkey wing pan. So then I just picked this one up for the macaroni. So this should be big enough. This can be the rice pan. 2 rice pans. Yeah. All right. Yeah, that is a huge difference, right? Yeah. Shut up. And then I got my wheat bread, which I forgot to add in the video. If you want to know what I ate for breakfast, look at this clip. Check you out in a second. Later. Goodbye, gorgeous.